Hilda Wijayati.
My name is Ali Farhan Baya and
My name is Arya Ramadan Ardian Putra.
We from slot number 2 will present a review article with the title Islamic Education in the Globalization Era.
Challenge and Opportunities and
Contribution of Islamic Education in Indonesia.
First, the meaning of the era of globalization and its impact on Islamic education. Globalization can be listed as change in the economic and social spheres that create unique global interconnectedness. Globalization has an impact on Islamic education, especially in terms of culture, ethics, and morals. And increasingly materialistic and consumptive lifestyle has the potential to erode religious values, especially among the younger generation. On the other hand, globalization also presents positive impacts, such technological advance that can be integrated in the Islamic education process. Technology, design, teaching, e.g., the internet and computers, replace classical method and helps enrich in the learning process. However, there are also negative impacts, such as the commercialization of education, the misuse of information on the internet, and dependence on technology that can interfere with the learning process. With this impact, Islamic education faces a major challenge in maintaining its relevance while still protesting students for the negative influences of globalization. Point B. Challenge of Islamic education in the era of globalization. Islamic education faces a variety of significant challenges in the era of globalization include number 1, culture, ethics, and morals. The development of technology brings challenges in the form of cultural influence of materialism, consumers and hedonists that can erode religion values. Number 2, competition in the world of world Islamic education. Graduates must compete in increasingly competitive global job market which demands intelligence, innovation, and resilience. Number 3, low quality of education. Based on international surveys, the quality of education in Indonesia, including Islamic education, is still ranked at the bottom compared to neighboring countries. Number 4, low social capital. Lack of trust in society is also a challenge that affects the effectiveness of Islamic education. Number 5, structural challenge. Islamic educational institutions often face limited funding and facilities as well problems in terms of regional autonomy policies that affect funding. This challenge the main reforms in curriculum planning, education management, and strengthening the quality of human resource in Islamic educational institutions.
C. Taking advantage of opportunities and designate Islamic education strategies in the era of globalization. To face The challenge of globalization. Islamic education must take advantage of existing opportunities and decide effective strategies. Some of the key strategies proposed include: number 1, participatory education planning, involving communities in educational planning based on local needs and characteristics. Number 2, the role of the government as a facilitator. The government must play the role of a catalyst, facilitator, and community informant, not as a ruler of education. Number 3, focus on market needs. Desire education to meet the needs of society, market, and stakeholder. Number 4, analyzing external resource. Assessing external resource such as partnership with art education institutions, companies, and communication to support education. Number 5, collaboration and partnership. Strengthen collaboration network the governmental, non-governmental, and domestic and international institutions. Number 6, intelligence of information technology. Integrating information technology to improve access and quality of learning in formal, formal, and non-formal partner way. In addition, the reconstruction and reform of Islamic education is needed to face global challenge. Education, criteria, referee, religious material, and integrating religious education with other skin disease.
Point D, contribution of Islamic education in era of globalization. Islamic education has made a great contribution into progress of education in Indonesia in era globalization, which can be divided into main contribution. In number 1 is character of information, and 2 is perennial system. Character formation, Islamic education, especially through Islamic boarding school, plays an important role in shaping student character, including kids, militant, and spiritual character. This character helps students face moral challenge in era of globalization such as anarchism, drug, and prostitution. Number 3, an instilled spiritual character fortifies students for moral descended and encourages them to possess spiritual intelligence or SQ, which is essential for forming spiritual and responsible leadership. Number 2 is perennial system. Although in era of digitalization is getting more advanced, the traditional education system in Islamic education, such Sorogan methods, it's still relevant for this method. This traditional system focus not only for the transfer knowledge, but also on the transfer of morality and ethical values, which cannot be completely replaced by digital learning. With this contribution, Islamic education continues to play an important role in maintaining cultural identity and morality in mass globalization. And the feedback and suggestion, we have an article in feedback. Lack of deep material analysis in challenge of globalization. This material mentioned the challenge of globalization Islamic educational in general, but does not provide in-depth analysis of each specific challenge about that effect of Islamic education in era of globalization. And the suggestion of this article, we are to enrich an material. Okay, you can add this to this in problem and educational institution or school using real case example in Islamic education and material in the era globalization. And number B is recommended to use interdisciplinary approach in discussing Islamic education. in the era of globalization. For example, by linking social, economic, and cultural aspect and affect education, this will provide more a comprehensive view. Thank you.